Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to use Canva for logo design on your mobile device. First, download the free Canva app from your App Store. Once installed, open the app and tap the plus icon to create a new design. Select Logo from the many available options. You will then see thousands of professional, pre-made templates. Choose one that aligns perfectly with your brand style and vision. Now, let's personalize your chosen template. Simply tap on any element, like text or shapes, to easily change its color, font, or size. Replace the placeholder text with your unique brand name and any tagline you might have. You can also upload your own images or icons directly from your phone's gallery to add a truly custom touch. Adjust the sizes and positions of elements until your logo looks perfectly balanced. To further enhance your logo, explore Canva's vast library of graphic elements. You'll find millions of free and premium options, including shapes, lines, and illustrations. Apply various filters and effects to your images and text to create a distinct visual style. For a dynamic touch, you can even use the Animate feature to create short, moving logo variations. Remember to group multiple elements together for easier resizing and movement across your design. Once your logo is perfect, it's time to save and share it. Tap the download icon and choose from multiple file formats, such as high-resolution PNG for web use or SVG for scalable vector graphics. You can also share your new logo directly to various social media platforms with just a few taps. Don't worry about losing your work. Your design saves automatically in Canva's cloud storage for future edits or access.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.